Hello everyone, today I've got my hands on the Moto GPR, a budget-friendly phone from Motorola that defies its low price with a design that doesn't scream budget. Before we delve into the details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay updated on the latest deals on Ovantica.com. Let's dive right in. Starting with the camera, the Moto GPR is equipped with a 13 megapixel main camera. While it may not compete with flagship cameras, it's important to keep in mind the price point. In well-lit conditions, you can capture decent photos and the camera app offers some useful features like HDR and panorama. However, in low-light situations, like many budget phones, the performance might be a bit limited. Now, let's talk about the battery. The Moto GPR packs a respectable 4000 mAh battery. This capacity, combined with the power-efficient design of the budget-friendly smartphones, usually translates to a decent battery life. For light to moderate usage, you can expect the Moto GPR to get you through the day without any major concerns. Of course, actual battery life may vary based on individual usage patterns. Under the hood, the Moto GPR is powered by MediaTek Helio G25 processor. It's a common choice in budget devices and can handle everyday tasks fairly well. You will be able to navigate through apps, browse the web, and use social media without significant lag. One noteworthy aspect of the Moto GPR is its software. Motorola usually delivers near-stack Android experience, and the Moto GPR is no exception. Running on a clean version of Android, you can expect a user-friendly interface without bloatware, providing a smooth and responsive experience. Plus, Motorola has a good track record for delivering timely software updates. In conclusion, the Moto GPR is a budget-friendly smartphone that caters to those looking for essential features without breaking the bank. Its camera, battery, and processor offers a well-rounded experience for everyday use. If you are a casual user with a focus on reliability and affordability, the Moto GPR is definitely worth considering. When you choose Ovantica.com, you are in for a treat. We offer up to a 6 months warranty on Android and 1 year warranty on Apple gadgets, along with free delivery anywhere in India. Plus, every device undergoes a rigorous 49-point quality check, ensuring you get nothing but the best. Don't forget to leave a comment below and hit the subscribe button and smash that like button.